Well, hello there. So today I want to talk with you a little bit about how knowing your purpose in life can help you make decisions. And that sounds cool, right? And that's because it is. So when you know what your purpose is, what you're on this earth to do, when you come time for making some big decisions in life, and there will be a few, things like if you have to change job or take up a new big project or commit yourself to working on some sort of a committee or changing cities that you live in, you can start to look at what you know your purpose to be because you've worked through all the steps in Purpose Made, right? You've come to the end and you've created what I call a purpose narrative, so you can really succinctly define what you believe your purpose to be. You can start to look at all of these decisions that you need to make through what I refer to as a purpose-shaped lens. So you just start to filter. You filter the decisions through, well, if I know my purpose is this, if I really feel that it's X, Y, and Z, then is this going to help me to go towards my purpose, to achieve that purpose? Or is it going to be a big distraction in my life? Is it going to suck a lot of time? Like if you had to go on looking at whether you joined a new committee, is that going to suck away the precious time that I have on this earth? Is it going to lead to my purpose, or is it going to distract me? So I just encourage you, please, do what you can to find out what your purpose is in life. And if that is reading Purpose Made, then I would be stoked with that. But either way, if you start to get that feeling of what you're on this earth for, I will guarantee you that making decisions, especially the big decisions in life, will be so much easier and you'll feel a sense of relief. So get yourself a copy of Purpose Made today. If you like it, tell me about it. Leave me a message on my website, sarah-ritchie.com. And I'd love to hear about your purpose journey. And if it does to start to help you make these decisions, I'd love to know that. All right, all the best and have a great rest of your day.